Magandang araw! We are making chicken vegetable soup and it's gluten-free. Our ingredients are garlic, onions. We chop the onions finely and then mince the garlic. Then we have celery, bell peppers, and carrots chopped finely. And some chicken. This chicken has been boiled and then I chopped it finely and then saved the chicken broth, okay? We have spinach, broccoli, bone broth, and arborio rice. So on a pot, we'll put some olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you prefer. Then you just saute the garlic and the onions, of course. And when the onions are translucent, ayan, masarap na siya. Then you'll put the boiled and chopped chicken. That we save, by the way, we save the chicken broth on that. We put a little bit of salt on it and then we wash the arborio rice. This, you don't have to really use arborio rice, but I'm just using this because it makes the soup really creamy. And also, you can also use jasmine rice or basmati rice if you want. Or maybe you can also use sweet rice. So, yan. Hugasan lang natin siya. Hugasan natin para maalis yung mga starch. And then, inilagay ko lang siya dyan sa pot. Then, nilagay ko na rin dyan yung chicken broth na kung saan ko pinakulo yung chicken natin kanina. So chicken broth and then with the rice. Now, we can put bone broth para mas masarap siya. It's flavorful. Let's put the bone broth, all of that. Then we cover it, put it to boil. Mix and check. We just checking if the rice is already cooked. Make sure the rice is done. See, may effect dyan. Slow motion. So, we cover it again. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood. Thank you very much for watching. I'm just a newbie here. So, I'm just trying to share to you what I know from cooking. Kasi lagi akong tinatanong, nagluto ka ba niyan? Pwede bang mag-order? Sabi ko, wag naman kasi hirap na ako sa work. Pero eto naman, sa work ko ginagawa. Sabi ng boss ko, yeah, you can take videos, it's fine. So now I'm putting all the vegetables that we cut finely. So it's the carrots, celery, and the bell peppers. Now, I'm putting the broccoli. So, pare-pareho lang yung size niya para yung consistency ng soup mo maganda. So, ito, natutunan ko to kasi when I was working for a Korean family, gusto nila, na bumibili sila nito ng nasa cup na pre-made. So, sabi ko, pwede namang lutuin. Then, you can freeze this. Like, meron silang molder. You can freeze it. So, you can give it to the kids, actually. Like, toddler or yung mga 9 months, kanyan. So, gusto mo, mas maliit lang yung mga cut para madaling ibigay sa babies. Then, nagpapakulo lang din ako ng tubig kasi usually, nagiging thick talaga siya. So, para wag maiba yung temperature ng pagluluto mo, just pour in boiling water if you need some more, so it's not too thick. Okay, so then optional naman kung gusto mong lagyan ng spinach, or yung iba ayaw nilang lagyan ng spinach, but spinach is also a good source of iron, so it's okay. You can put that for the babies and for the adults as well. So magbe-blend lang naman siya sa dish. So I just chop all the spinach and then I'll just make sure everything is cooked. Yan. So, meron akong natira nung last time nagluto ako ng bolognese. So, meron akong natirang shredded na carrots. I don't wanna waste it. So, naisip ko, I can just put it here. So, hindi naman siya makakasakit dyan. Ilagay mo lang siya dyan. Then, haluin mo. Since iyan ay shredded carrots, madali naman siyang maluto. So, hinalo ko lang siya. So, I don't waste some ingredients na we used prior to other dishes. So now, nilagay ko yung spinach. Nilagay ko na ba? Okay, wait. Di pa pala. Ayan na, nilagay ko na yung spinach. So now, ito na yung spinach. So, sandali lang naman siya lutuin. Okay. Sorry ha, na-carried away ako sa aking pag-voice over. So, ito na yung spinach. So, i-mix mo lang siya and then boil for a little bit. And actually, taste mo if it's good. Then you can add salt and pepper if you want. And this dish, talaga very good to sa mga, kung naghahanap kayo ng dishes for babies, this is really good as well. But adults is really good for you. Thank you. Thanks again for watching. See you on my next video.